I am so excited to unbox the Apple Watch 9 GPS and cellular. As I have had the Apple Watch 6 since it was released, I love it. It's an incredible watch and I'm ready to level up and give this one to one of my kids. It'll keep being used. It is still a fantastic Apple Watch, and that's one of the things I love about these is they truly last. And once you get one, it's like a complete game changer. This is almost more important to me than my phone. Let's unbox it. Now, of course, it has beautiful packaging, and you get your watch band and your watch in separate boxes. And here it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is the 41 millimeter in Starlight, and you can tell right here that it has cellular by that red circle. If it was GPS only, it wouldn't have that. The circle spins really nicely, no clicking or anything. You can also press on it, and then you have the button here, and this is your reset button right there. And then it clips really easily into any watch band you have right in these notches. And there are little buttons on each side, and those buttons help it unsnap from whatever you put in there. You can see right there, there's a little snap that will connect it in when you put in the watch band. But past that, there's not much to see here. Everything is in the device. And then it comes with this great clean charger. I love how they continue to improve upon all the pieces. Really smooth, much cleaner than the one I currently have. And I love this fabric cord it has. And it is a USB-C at the end. Now, I got the Sport Loop band with it. I have quite a few bands already, but I love the Sport Loop bands, and I knew this would be a great addition to go with my new watch. And here it is. It does come in a bunch of different colors, but it's a really lovely Velcro band. You can see all the Velcro right there, and it really holds up. I had another one of these, and the Velcro never went, but my other one was white, and after a year and a half of using it straight, it had discolored to the point where I didn't want to use it anymore. So that's the only thing to keep in mind, is these will wear down in time, but that is completely normal. Let me put my new watch in it. Now, when you're thinking about how your watch goes in it, this is basically how your watch will be and how that band will go. So you just want to think about how this piece goes underneath your wrist. If you have it wrap around and pop on the exterior or the inside of your wrist. So there it is, the Apple Watch 9 with no battery life at all. So I'm going to charge this up, set it up, and I'll show it to you on the other side. So it's been a few days since I set this up, and as you can see, I went with a different watch band than what I got with it. My daughter actually kept the other watch band as I gave my old Apple Watch to her. For the most part, there isn't too much of an obvious difference in experience or daily use. It really does have the same apps. It's just a little larger, it's a little brighter, crisper, and what has been most impressive to me is that I have no issue with this connecting to all my other smart devices. From HomeKit to making my phone take pictures to opening the smart lock on our back door. This has been super nice and clean, no issues at all. It also has gestures, which is new to me, but is not specifically new to the 9. It's just new software. And what's interesting about this one is if you are, for example, playing music, you can just gesture to make it play. And now it's trying to connect to something, but it would have just played. And here you can customize, and you can do taps, double taps, clench, and double clench to control different things. So if you already have an Apple Watch, this is just a lovely update, brighter, crisper, cleaner, no bugs. I'm not noticing any issues with my watch, so I really don't notice it because it works so cleanly. And if you are new to an Apple Watch, I cannot tell you how much I love this. I can't live without it. Because of this watch, I often don't bring my phone with me because this does everything I need.